COSEN CNC equipment technology specializes in manufacturing machines which process solid wood furniture parts, especially wooden chair frames, like these. Let's see how this machine works. First of all, rough shape cutting with S515 curved band saw with a wide processing range. No need to underline. Effective but smooth surface. We come to aisle 623, normally process chair legs in the front side. Automatic feeding and unloading, turning, cutting, polishing, milling, drilling holes, slotting, engraving, multiple process in one. These are the samples. Then we come to X753. It processes in one CNC machining center, normally process chair legs behind. And all peculiar processing can be done on this machine. This 5-axis forehead machining center for special shapes. Curved surface for chair backs. We come to double-ended tensioner machine, automatic feeding and unloading. No edge breakage, no fuzzy. Very fast and safe. Then mortise machine, easy to operate, just a single price. If you lack of space and lack of budget, COSEN equipment would be the best choice. And safety for the operator has absolute priority. This 5-axis tenon and mortise machining center is suitable for complex joint. Polishing and sanding in the end. When leg specs needed, we have this tapping machine to screw nuts into the holes. With the help of the one-stop production line, all wooden furniture frames, furniture parts, and chair frames can be perfectly done.